Miss Wimpenny.
Good morning, Miss Lewis. Are you ready for our exciting day?
I have never been more ready. I have dressed for the occasion and I'm ready to go.
I wonder where we're going on our adventure. Should we give the children some clues?
Why not? Shall we start with what you're wearing on top of your head?
I have got a hat to protect my eyes from the glare of the sun. It was sunny today, even though it was really cold. And I've also got my binoculars.
Now I've got a camouflage shirt on to make sure that I can't be seen too easily and I don't scare things away while I'm also using my binoculars and having a look for some things outside.
Well, I found also I had a guide, and it's a city that is in this continent. So it's a capital city of England, and we live in England, and we are in this continent. So that's a big clue, isn't it?
Yeah, I think I might guess where we might be going, but I wonder what we're going to be doing in this continent. Now, I've got a little book that might help with some clues. So this is a book all about wildlife. Now, inside we have got some pictures of different birds. We've got insects. We've got flowers. So I think that this week maybe you could be going on a bird hunt.
I wonder if we could think of something that would sound fun. Should we try a rhyme, Miss Lewis, to try and help us remember what we're looking for?
Why not?
Okay, we could start with, we're going on a bird hunt.
Let's go for it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're going on a bird hunt. We're going to see some colourful ones.
What do we see? We're not scared.
Oh no, we've got to be quiet.
We can't shout.
We must stay still.
I wonder what we'll find. It's a
bird. But what type? I wonder if your learning this week will help you to not just say that you can see a bird, but actually to learn some of the names of the birds that we have on our continent.
I also think it would be really good if you could take some pictures of some birds you see when you're out on your bird walk or in your garden, and then we can try and find out the names together and solve the problems. So send us everything through your learning diary. We can't wait to see it.
Shall we just make sure that they have understood where we're going? Shall we tell them what the continent is that we're going to?
Shall we go over this?
Okay, so we are going to be very camouflage. We're not going to give away where we are. We're going to need to use our equipment like binoculars to see some wildlife. They were my clues. What were your clues, Miss Wimpenny?
This capital city is the capital of England, and England, where we live, we don't live in London, but we live in Bristol, but Bristol is in England, and England is on this continent, and our island is near lots of other countries that are in this continent. Do you think you could find out what continent we're visiting and let us know what you think, and we'll give you an update later on in the week? See you soon, reception.
Bye.
Bye.